Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your TV supports the Castle Movie app and that your network is stable. Sign in to your Castle account on another device if needed, because you may have to enter a code on TV. Once done, install or open the app from your TV's App Store and grant network and storage permissions so it can cache artwork and subtitles. Make sure your remote or paired keyboard is working. That speeds search and login and prevents delays during the next steps. Now sign in, enter the on-screen code or type your email and password, and complete two-factor authentication if required. Once authenticated, go to Settings to pick Streaming Quality, choose Auto for most weights or 1080p if your TV and bandwidth support it. Configure subtitles and audio language so playback matches your preference, and set download behavior if you want offline viewing. These changes control data use and responsiveness, so tweak them to balance picture fidelity versus streaming stability. With setup complete, select a movie and use the remote or voice search to start playback. Add titles to your watch list for quick access. During playback, use skip, rewind, or subtitle toggles for smooth viewing and switch audio tracks when available. If playback stutters or won't start, restart the app, verify your TV's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and update the app or TV firmware. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.